Pickleball has exploded from hobbyist pastime to a serious sport, with metrics-driven choices around paddle construction, materials, and core technology. The right paddle can meaningfully influence spin, control, and power, while price and weight balance comfort and durability for different playing styles. In this review,
List number 1. Pickleball paddles. The DGYGQ paddles utilize a carbon fiber surface with a 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core and ABS edge, delivering a lightweight 8-ounce profile and a compact 16.5 by 7.48-inch footprint. The line emphasizes extended handles for two-handed backhands and easy maintenance with surface cleaning benefits. Notably, both models advertise strong spin potential and quick response due to carbon fiber construction and a low to mid-weight class, with solid US APA compatibility for competitive play. Performance-wise, the 8-ounce weight aids maneuverability and fast paddle swing speed, which benefits players seeking quick reaction times at the net and during returns. The 16mm core contributes to a stable feel with consistent ball rebound, while the carbon surface helps with durability and spin. The grip size of 5.23 inches supports a secure hold for a wide range of hand sizes, though players with larger hands may prefer a slightly larger circumference. The paddle excels in all-around play with reliable power from the carbon face.
List number 2. Pickleball paddles, professional carbon. The PKB EG02 variation shares the same carbon fiber face and 16mm core as the EG01, with emphasis on extended handle design and carbon-based performance for spin and power. It maintains the same weight target and durability features while presenting an alternative finish and model listing. Performance-wise, players benefit from quick handling and a consistent response across shots due to the lightweight build. The extended handle design remains advantageous for two-handed backhands and sustained rallies. This paddle is best suited for players who prioritize spin, control, and a fast feel over maximum raw power, particularly in fast-paced doubles or mixed doubles formats, where rapid exchanges near the net are common.
Number 3. Pickleball paddles, professional carbon fiber paddle. MTEN offers a USAPA-approved 2-paddle set with fiberglass surface and polypropylene honeycomb core. The set includes 2 paddles, 4 outdoor balls, 2 grip tapes, and a carry bag. The design emphasizes a larger sweet spot with a comfortable perforated grip and a 4.57-inch grip circumference, catering to a broad range of players from beginners to intermediates. Performance-wise, the fiberglass surface provides solid power and reliable durability, while the polypropylene core helps dampen vibration for a smoother feel. The wider paddle face improves shot placement and forgiveness on off-center hits, making it a strong choice for players who prioritize consistency and value in entry to intermediate play. The 7.78 to 7.8 ounce weight places these paddles in a comfortable mid-light range, enabling longer rallies without
List number 4. Pickleball paddle with T700 raw carbon fiber surface. The Jonkai Blitz 4-pack provides a budget-friendly US APA-approved set with 4 fiberglass paddles and a complete accessory bundle. The paddles feature a 4.25-inch grip and a PP honeycomb core that prioritizes a quieter, smoother play experience with reduced noise in outdoor environments. The set is marketed toward families and beginners seeking substantial value per paddle. Performance-wise, the fiberglass surface offers reliable durability and a comfortable swing for casual play, with the PP core providing a softer feel and reduced vibration. The 8-ounce weight supports easy handling and longer play sessions, making these paddles accessible for new players working on fundamentals. While not intended for high-level competition, the Blitz set shines in recreational settings and group play, where cost-effectiveness and inclusivity are primary goals.
List number 5. Pickleball paddles, set of 4 or 2 rackets by Jonkai. The Storm 007 represents a premium option with T700 raw carbon fiber.
a 16mm STR core polymer core, and USAPA approval. The paddle highlights advanced thermoforming engineering, a 6-layer ultra-weave carbon fiber construction, and a textured surface designed to maximize spin. It's engineered for peak performance with a pro-grade balance and a slightly heavier feel at 7.76 ounces total weight for enhanced stability. Performance-wise, the combination of T700 carbon fiber and a multi-layer carbon weave expands the sweet spot and improves energy transfer, resulting in a higher energy return on each shot. The 16mm core contributes a robust power-to-control ratio, while the patented triangular handle joint and 6-layer construction provide increased durability and fatigue resistance. Spin is noticeably enhanced by the textured surface, and the thermoforming process reduces delamination risk, potentially delivering more consistent performance over thousands of hits.